I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Cooking with Captains! Today, I'm attempting to make Earth food that's so fun and easy that big people, little people, and even captains can make it. But before we get started, here's a special word from Nana Starlight.
A fly with no wings is called a walk.
No, Nana, I mean the other message.
Oh yes, sorry. Cooking in the kitchen can be fun, but always make sure you have an adult to help you.
Wise words, Nana. Today, we're making fruit space rocket kebabs. Here's what you'll need. Strawberries, banana, rock melon, pineapple. You'll also need some skewers as well to make the space rockets. After inspecting your pineapple to make sure there are no SpongeBobs living inside, you're ready to start building your rocket. You'll need to ask your adult to help you chop up your fruit into different shapes. We are going to cut our strawberries and bananas into circles. We're going to cut our melon into a rocket tail and our pineapple into wing shapes. Now that we have all of the pieces of our rocket, it's time to start building. Step 1. Start with the rocket ship's base, its exhaust. Slide a piece of melon down onto the skewer, leaving yourself a bit of space on the stick to hold it. Step 2. Slide the circle pieces of fruit onto the skewer, down until it meets the melon. We are building the body of the rocket. I'm going to use one piece of strawberry and then one piece of banana to make a cool pattern. Step 3. And now we can't forget the wings of our rocket. Slide a piece of pineapple down onto the kebab so the corners stick out. Make sure you place it the right way, or else your rocket will be in constant reverse. Finish placing down the rest of the main body of the rocket. Somewhere in here you'll have the pilot's flight deck. Now for the finishing touch. Place a big piece of strawberry onto the head of your rocket and blast off!
Oh dear, Captain, you've missed the rocket.
No, Nana, that was a fruit rocket. Oh wait, our rocket is about to take off. I got a jet. Thanks for cooking along with me today. Stay tuned for more episodes of Cooking with Captains coming out soon. Bye!